Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the front brakes on the 21 Volkswagen Atlas. Let's go press our caliper using a flat blade screwdriver, and we're gonna remove the brake returning screw here. It is a T30. I'll suggest you tap the rotor a few times so you can shake the rust off of it. Now let's remove our caliper bolt. It is a 30mm, and I also use a 70mm wrench to hold it in place and secure the caliper with a bungee cord. Let's remove the old brake pad here, and let's inspect on the slider pins. Now let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is a 21mm. Now let's remove our old rotor and clean up the hub, so when you put the new rotor you have a fresh surface and even surface to sit on. And now we have our new rotor. Let's take the rust protection off of it. You can use soap and water if you don't have brake clean, it works just as well. Now let's take the old hardware clip. Make sure you have new ones before you take those one out, because sometimes you might have to buy them separate, so be careful. Now we're gonna re-grease our slider pins and clean the old grease and put some new grease on. Now let's clean our slider pin. You can use a wire brush for this, but since I have the cookie wheel here, it works very well and it's faster, so just killing some time. Let's install our new hardware clip. There you go. So let's install the caliper bracket. Now let's grease on the new pads before you put them on. Good. Perfect. Let's grease the back of the pad so you don't have any squeaking noise. And we install our caliper. Good. Good. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.